Hi guys, I thought I'd do a video for YouTube about the Odin 2 power cable. This is a 1.25 meter cable, and it's a Supreme reference cable. That is a mains power cable from Nordost that provides power from the wall outlet into the distribution block of your mains cable setup for your hi-fi. So what it does is it gives a very pure sound and a very natural sound of what your system is supposed to sound like, and it also energizes the rest of the cables in your loom if you have a Nordost loom. I've got some this is my mains cable that comes in to feed the main distribution box, and as soon as I plugged it in and tried it in the system, I could notice a definite blackening of the sound. I mean, as in the blackness. So the instruments were very separated, and everything sounded very tight and spacious. And with this Nordost Odin 2 power cable, like I say, it kind of changes the sound of the whole system, because it energizes the rest of the system and it makes everything sound really good. This one here, it's got the hollow plug, and it's got a gold plated plug, and the silver is 99.9%, 99.99% in the actual cable. So that gives a really fast transmission on the 50 to 60 hertz rise. The hollow plug here, which goes into the distribution, that's made of aluminium, and it's got gold connectors inside on the live, neutral and earth. And having this cable plugged into your system with other Nordost cables, essentially using the same Nordost cable, either in Odin or Valhalla, keeping it the same name brand, will definitely change the sound of your system for the better. This one here, I've had it for a couple of years now, and the results are very impressive, and I would definitely say, if you can afford one, go for it, because I love music, and it's my main sort of passion. Not everybody's into music, you know, of high fidelity, but I thought, well, instead of me smoking and drinking, I'd buy some cables for my hi-fi, where I get pleasure from listening to the actual recordings, because it definitely changes the sound of the recordings to make them more lifelike and natural on how they were sounding. So I'll do some more reviews of different cables that I've got. So if you want to subscribe to my channel and let me know what cables you want to listen to, or you want me to show you, I can show you the rest of my cable loom of the Nordost. And I've also got some moon equipment that I've got as well, which is high end, and also Quadraspire hi-fi rack that also helps the sound, where you put your components on, such as your amplifier, your CD player, your preamp and your power amps. So as you can see, the thickness of the cable is quite thick. It's as thick as my little finger, and everything seems to be really, this cable is incredibly stiff. It doesn't like to be bent around much, but I look after it, and I clean the outer sheathing with the Nordost cleaning fluid to stop RFI and static on the cable, which helps a lot. But generally I just leave it plugged in, and I don't unplug it or plug it back in at all, because the plug connections are made of gold, and the gold is a really good transmission for electrons of the electricity type. So there you go. Very expensive cable. Currently retails in the UK for £21,275. So that's it.